Hey there, it's Trisha, and I'm going to go over the trades that I took on February 26th. I took two trades, actually three trades set up, but one was during lunch, so I didn't take it because I wasn't here. But I used two trade setups using three charts and requiring indicators and everything to be in alignment for confirmation before I ever take my entry. And you can go to www.easyemintrade.com and check those out. The first trade that set up was at 12.17, and you can see you have price going sideways, indicator going down. We have our indicator firing off with a blue dot. So if you're around at lunchtime and you don't mind trading during lunchtime, you certainly could have taken that. You have the indicator above 20. It's actually just about at 20, but it's going higher, so I would take that definitely. And this is the bar that we're setting up on, so we're below both moving averages, and this indicator is in alignment. So if you were able to take that trade, you actually probably would not have got stopped out until probably over here, and you probably would have had a gain of like depending on how you exited, at least 3.5 to probably 4 points. So that could have worked, and if I was trading during lunch, I possibly might have taken that. This trade I took at 12.58, almost 12.59, and we've got our indicator above 20. Now, this will be something that you will have to decide if you will take something if the indicator is moving down. I still took it because it's above 20, so I felt okay taking it, so I took it. We have price actually going higher, indicator going lower. We have, actually this is the bar that it's setting up on our longer tick chart. So that's okay. We're below both moving averages.
Database has been updated.
Sorry about that. We're below both moving averages, and this indicator is in correct alignment as well. So it's okay to take that. So I did, and I got in at 765.50, and oops, wrong chart. And actually trail stop, moved my stop to here and got stopped out over here at 762 for a gain of 3.5. Now what I want to point out is when I'm showing you these trades, this is based on one contract and trail stopping out. As you know, I will go out in thirds, a third out at +2, a third out at +4, and then that final third I don't exit until I'm stopped out using my trail stop. You don't have to trade in that manner or exit in that manner. You can exit any way that you choose to. Some people will exit when they see the momentum color on this indicator changing color, going to the dark color, which signifies momentum slowing, or they'll exit when they see the indicator cross back over itself, either one of these indicators. So there are many different ways to exit, and you just have to see what works best for you. Other people will exit when they have the bar closing above the moving average. So, just many different ways to exit, and you'll have to decide what is best for you. And then the next trade that I took was at, let me just make that smaller so we can see the time, was at 254, and we have price going sideways, indicator going down, our scalp indicator setting up. So after we get that first blue dot, we hit a market order, get filled somewhere over here at 759. Trend indicator is above 20, and this is the bar that's setting up, that we're setting up on, and we're below both moving averages. We're just crossing over again here on this indicator, so I'm okay with taking that. So 759 is where we get in and use our trail stop method to exit, and basically a quarter above here, get stopped out over here at 756 for a gain of 3. And that was it for the trades that I took. And reason being is that now you can see that all this congestion is going on around the area of the close and the low from the previous day. These indicators, these reference points are just so key. You can see the high from the previous day. That's basically about the high that we got to on this day as well. And, the low and the close from the previous day. So that's why I think it's important to have these on your charts as reference points. And you can put them on your smaller tick chart. You can put them on your longer tick chart. You can put them on any chart that you want, as long as you'll be able to see them. I think that they're very relevant in taking trades. Personally, I do. So anyway, those are the 2 trades that I took. I had 2 scalp trades, one for +3, one for +3.5 for a gain of 6.5. And if you were able to catch that trade during lunch, you would have had between 3 and 4 more additional points. So good for you if you did get that. And you can check those out at www.easyemintrade.com. And I will hopefully get another video posted today or tomorrow.